Massive news this morning. Silver and gold crashed overnight. Will they come back? Will they return to previous levels? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Good morning. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy coffee. Big news this morning on silver, gold, and all of our precious metals, everybody. Things we've been waiting on for a while have finally happened. We're going to talk about that this morning. What could have caused this? Has this been a long time coming? I think it has. And we've kind of talked about that a little bit in the past. When's it going to happen? We just didn't know. And finally, it has. And will things recover for us? But before we get started, everyone, let me tell you how much I appreciate you. And welcome to our channel. If you're a new subscriber, we have gotten well over, I think it's 1,900 subscribers in the last 28 days. So the channel is really growing. Happy coffee to that, right? There's really not a negative moment whatsoever in creating these videos. We love to do them. We love to do them for you. Welcome to this family all over the world, all over the United States. We appreciate you very, very much. Throat clearing noises and all. So, oh my gosh, guys, what happened overnight? Let's look at our prices right now. They are actually up from when I first got up this morning and looked at the price and was shocked, everybody. But was I really? And what are you going to do? Gold, guys, dropped down below $5,000 an ounce this morning, down to 49. I didn't screenshot it. High 49s, at 49.80, 84, or something like that. There's a lot of you have already seen this in Europe, so you know what happened. But we all in America were likely asleep, probably out for like a light. But I mean, it dropped over $300 an ounce. We saw it drop yesterday and then start to climb back up, and then it dropped back down and then started climbing back up again. So I thought yesterday evening, well, let's see what happens Friday, because Fridays are some of the days that this can happen, everyone. And is this good for the dealers? Is it good for you that just paid $110, $115 for silver or over that? Silver, everybody, dropped all the way down to 99.37 right now. Gold's at 5,067.50, but 99.37. I saw it below that. I think I saw it in high 96s early this morning. And then about the time I got up, it was 97 and some change. And it is really working hard to pull itself back up. All of the metals really took a very, very, very hard drop overnight. And that's really, it's really a healthy, good thing for this to happen. Because I think it's just going to make it all stronger and continue to drive towards that $125 mark that we talked about yesterday. And, it'll go up just as fast as it came back, as it crashed, everybody. I believe that. I truly believe that. Massive sell-offs happening on these metals. News on interest rates not being cut, which drives people kind of away from our precious metals as a safe haven. If there's big news and possibly our U.S. economy is starting to improve, the dollar's starting to settle down a little bit, I haven't researched it yet. I probably will today. But platinum is at 22.38. Massive drop this morning. It's down almost $400. $400. Red lights are on right now, but you know what? I've always said, everybody, there's not a negative about any of these metals, whether they drop or whether they skyrocket. It's always a good thing. It really is. Let's turn on the green lights, everybody. There's not a negative about these metals, because when they drop, it's an opportunity to buy. And when they skyrocket, you either hold or you sell. So there's a positive to these metals going up and going down. Palladium, $17.96. It's down $200, everybody. $200. So almost $400 on platinum, $200 on palladium. Rhodium actually is $10,800. So rhodium's pretty stable. I'm not gonna crash it. So let's take a look at the European markets that are currently on Kitco that I look at. Hong Kong is on gold is at 51.68.10, and silver at $110, everybody. So that kind of tells you something what may happen today after this big crash. Mumbai is at 52.15.10 on gold and 111.10 on silver. So they're still cranking. Happy coffee. Happy Friday, actually. So I'm not worried about this. Actually, I kind of hope our silver and gold kind of stay down today, maybe through this weekend. Because I'm actually buying quite a bit this weekend. So it'll save me some money. And if you bought silver when it was $115 spot, we know you paid quite a bit more per ounce for silver with premiums and everything. It's time to hold, guys. This is what all of the stackers for years have been telling everybody, including me. Hold your silver, hold your gold. We're going to have these big dips. We're going to have these mild dips. We're going to have these huge rises. It's volatile. It happens. Right now, I feel bad for the dealers. And now I understand why they bought silver so far below spot price. Because now a lot of them are going to have to hold this until it rockets back up, or they're going to have to dump it and lose money. So, let's get to the gold and silver ratio this morning. This is a positive, guys. I'm not bummed out about this. I'm really not. The gold to silver ratio jumped up to 50.80, so 50 to 1. So if you did your trading when it hit 45 to 1 or 46 to 1, even 47, even in the 40s, hey, good job. If you got you some gold for that, that's fantastic. Got to take another sip of coffee, man. It's Friday, guys. There's nothing bad about this. It's Friday. When it's Friday, it's Friday, even though I have to work tomorrow. Not looking forward to working on a Saturday, but it is what it is. And we'll make a video early in the morning, just like we do on Saturday on updates. And then we'll go to work, and then don't forget, Super Copper Sunday, everybody. We'll show you all of our pickups for the week that actually came in. We're still waiting on stuff because of the winter storm, but you'll get to see some pretty cool stuff. So 50 to 1, goldbacks. Now they ended up at 10.59 yesterday. Today, they'll be down quite a bit today, but they follow the gold market, right? 24 karat gold market. They follow it. They're a good thing, everybody. I'm into those things. Base metals, let's check those out. This is breakfast blend. Good stuff, everybody. Pretty cool cup. I like it. Excuse me once again. Not bad allergies, just throat clearing noises. Welcome to our channel, everybody. This is what you get with SSC. Our copper is doing well. It's still up over $6 a pound. Nickel is at $8.22. It's down just a little bit, down about 14 cents actually. Nickel is. So aluminum's at $1.44. It's down just a tiny bit. Aluminum stays about the same all the time, and zinc does too. It's at $1.54, and if you do lead, it's still around 80 cents an ounce. Now, here's another big one, another huge one right here for you Bitcoin folks. Bitcoin dropped down to 82,398.83. It's the biggest loser of all of them, everybody. And guess what? You don't hold it. It's digital. My opinion, no. Not going to do it. Going to keep buying silver, buying gold, buy on the big dips right now, guys. So what does everybody think happened yesterday with silver and gold? I think that we had a massive sell-off yesterday. We had people actually kind of running away from the safe haven of gold and silver because things may be getting better in our economies. And the news of not cutting the interest rates in the United States actually finally hit the market. And everybody said, well, okay, I'm going to do some other things now. And that's a possibility. We're still, guys, we're still $99.75 an ounce on silver. If you bought in the early days, I'm telling you, you still made a ton of money. You still made a ton of money. So it is time to hold, everybody. If you recently got into stacking silver and gold, and you bought at a top price, like some of us, I have too, and it's time to hold it. This is what the hold is all about on these metals. So you may buy at a certain price and it's higher, and the silver drops and gold drops. You hold it, and it may be years till it comes up. It may be one day before it does this. And it can happen. It's shown itself. It showed its head this morning and said, okay, everybody, $20 an ounce, we're down. We're down. We're going down. Yeah. And so really, hold on to your silver, hold your gold. If you waited and you hem-hawed around a little bit and you were going to sell some gold or some silver that you've held for 25 years, well, you missed a boat. But guess what? The boat isn't going to sink. The holes will be patched, and she'll be floating and underway at any time. Silver will come back up. I still believe silver will hit the 125 mark soon. That's our target mark, I believe. And, we're at now, once again, as we speak, silver is up $100, up to $100 an ounce. Like I said this morning, it was 97, high 96s early this morning, so it's already starting to recover. But what a massive crash. This is a massive crash for our metals, but they will recover. I hope they don't recover too much. I need to get this silver bought this weekend. But I feel bad, like I said. I feel kind of bad for our local dealers. Some of them had already shut off buying silver. Some of them continued to buy silver. But the thing is they're going to have to hold that stuff until these prices recover. That's why they bought silver at, $25 back a spot, $30 back a spot, $10, $15. Just depends on where you went. Same with gold. And That's why when I said, guys, go buy silver, don't try to, take it to the dealers and sell it. They're really not a bank. They have to make money. And so hopefully all of you local coin dealers in Oklahoma are doing okay and hanging in there, because I think it's going to drive back up once again in the markets. And it already has. It drove up to 100, then it back down right now to 99.69. So gold is still, it's right at $5,075.70. And platinum's still a great one to buy. In my opinion, it is time right now to take advantage of these dips. If it's still hanging around the 100, the 101, 102 mark this morning, it may even drop some more. It may go up some more, and you can get out and slam a couple of ounces, maybe even a fractional, and you're a new stacker. Go do it. If the budget's there, get her done, guys. It'll go back up. So that's why I've got the green lights on. It will go back up. There's not a negative about any of this. You'll see a lot of these YouTube videos, and they are, silver's gonna crash and it's the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. It's the good part about it, because now you can get more and then watch your investment continue to grow. That's what's fun. So things are great. Silver back up as we speak, $100.10. It's just too bullish, guys. We can have these massive sell-offs and everybody freaking out and going, no, I'm going to get out of silver and gold right now. But no, it's too bullish. It's going to continue to rise, and it'll be fun from here on out to see what it does today. Platinum 2282 right now, and palladium at 1804, and rhodium's still the same, everybody. So metals are still great, everybody. Don't get excited because it dropped well over $20 an ounce this morning, but we're recovering. We're at a $15.37 loss so far. So that's good. It's on the rise back up. So happy Friday, everybody. Metals crashed this morning. It's time to buy, everybody. It's time to buy. So get out there and get you some before it drives back up to that 120 mark that we hit earlier in the week. And remember, always thank our Heavenly Father for what He has given you, not for what you don't have, everybody. And we thank the Father for you, our viewers, and our channel. And everybody, go out and get you some silver and gold today. Get her done, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America, guys. Buy some silver today. I'm out.